Hello friends, this is the LG Smart TV 43LJ554T model, and we have been using this television for at least 2 years now. And since the day we bought it, this model of LG TV has a significant I would say hardware issue, that sometimes the Wi-Fi does not work, and the same issue is also reflected in the screen share option. I have seen quite a few YouTube videos regarding this, and I'm going to try to fix this error by myself at home. So as you can see right now, it shows that the Wi-Fi is turned off, and turn it on to see the list of available networks that you can connect to and additional related menu items. But the problem is they have not given a switch, which is I think a manufacturing defect. They have not given a switch to turn on or off the Wi-Fi. So we will do a back check. I'll open the lid and we will check what kind of problem is there, and we'll try to fix this with few of the YouTube video solutions that I have just watched over. Okay, so I have dismounted the television from its wall mounting. We were using it in the wall mounted configuration, as you can see. So to do that, if any of you are also using the wall mounted configuration, there were two bolts here which were screwed inside the television. I have just unscrewed them with my hand. It was not very tight. Those were not very tight screws. So after you unscrew them, you just gently have to lift the televisions out of these lugs. Just remember, it's a widescreen TV, and one person, even though it is not very heavy, one person is not enough to lift it up safely. So I suggest you take help from somebody else. Okay, so just for the sake of the safety of the LED screen, I have laid down a blanket on my table here, and on top of that blanket you can gently place the television from one side. So for example, if you are going to place the television on the table, you first place it like this, and then you gently turn it over. Remember not to strain the LCD screen. It's the most delicate part and might break.
This is how the back cover looks. To open back cover, undo all the screws situated at these locations. As you can see, there are total 12 screws. Make sure to open all these before trying to remove the back cover.
Okay, I have finally opened the back cover. The back cover on this 43-inch TV is pretty tough. It took me a whole hour just to open the back cover, and I suggest you guys to take help from anyone. Here in this case, my mother helped me to open the lid. Actually, the tricky part is here, up here. As you can see on the back lid, these hinges are pretty difficult to open on the top part of the television. The trick is to try and create a gap between the front screen and the back panel as seen in this video. I suggest using a big screwdriver with a dull tip, because a small and pointy screwdriver may create scratches on the plastic and in worst case may even break it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the speaker modules, the main processing board, and maybe these are some other components which I'm not aware what are, but what I know is this is the Wi-Fi module. And in few of the YouTube videos, what suggestion they had is this: because of this wrinkle in the wire, and because of the dust collected on the module, and because of the wrinkles in these wires here, most of the YouTube videos suggested that the Wi-Fi is facing problems. So to solve this, what we need to do is either unscrew this module from here and try and get out the wrinkle in the wire. This you see this that shape bend here, so you can either cut this tape straighten out this wire and tape it onto this metal board, or without taking it off you can try and take out the wrinkle, but this wire, because of the metallic component, is pretty sturdy. So what I'll try and do, I'll try and open this module from here, and then let's see what we can do. First, what I'm trying to do is cut this tape here, which is keeping the power cable and the Wi-Fi cable together. Then I will let the power cable loose and try and tape it here, and at the same time this Wi-Fi cable I will try and straighten out, and then I will tape it somewhere around here in this region so that the wrinkle goes away, and then I will try and check if the Wi-Fi is working.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so I have disassembled the screws, and as you can see I have straightened out the wrinkle in the wire, and I have also disconnected this tape here. This wrinkle is the main reason why this Wi-Fi driver is losing connection and gaining connection again and again. So let's see what else I can do about it. As you can see, I have straightened out this cable here. I have taken out all the dents, and I have taped it all on the extra wire here so that the wrinkle won't appear again. All the connections I have not disturbed any of the other connections. Everything else is just the way it was before. The only thing is I have secured these speakers with some extra tape because it fell out when I was trying to open the back cover. Similarly, for this speaker, I have covered the speaker with reinforced the cover with the speaker with some extra tape here. So now let's put back the back cover, and let's see if the Wi-Fi is working again.
We have repaired the Wi-Fi module and reassembled the back cover. Now let's check if the problem in Wi-Fi module is rectified or not. As seen in the video, the Wi-Fi is back on and it has already been connected to few of the previously saved Wi-Fi networks. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel for similar content.